Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm TJ from passionatecrafter.com and today's video tutorial will be about this beautiful twisted crochet headband. In this pattern I used two different colors where the one color pops out really well in the one side and the other color pops out really well in the other side. You prefer which one you use as your right side for your project. This headband here is for 12-13 years old and the approximately measurement is 42 centimeters and the height is 13 rows. If you are ready, let's start to crochet this beautiful twisted headband together. With this video tutorial I will make a headband for myself and my head measurements are 56 centimeters head circumference, and for that reason I start with chain 81, then single crochet in second chain from hook and single crochet across till the end of this row. I started with my first color. In this headband, as I told you, I used two different colors and this is the first one. In the end of this row we will switch to our second color, so continue crocheting single crochet across till the end of this row and let's meet there. In the end of row 1 make the last single crochet but do not finish it. Cut the yarn, take your second color and finish your single crochet. Now turn your work. In the usual we work our single crochet in this hole here in the both loops, but today we will work in our back bar here. This is a back bar single crochet stitch. You can check my previous video tutorial for this stitch to see the closer up about the stitch, how to crochet this stitch. So again single crochet across till the end of this row but in the back bars of our single crochets here with our second color. This is the normal V from our single crochet and this is the back bar here. Continue crocheting in back bar of our single crochet till the end of this row. The tips in this headband pattern is that you have to switch your colors in each row, and when you are taking your measurements always leave 2 or 3 inches more to the length because the twist will take off some of this length, and for the height it's again depends on you. In the blue white headband I made 13 rows, but for myself I will make 23 rows. I will add a bit more height to my headband. After you finish crocheting your rows for your headband, wave all ends in with tapestry needle. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For this headband I'm using Una Grossa Bingo yarn, which is 100% merino yarn. I'm using a 6mm crochet hook. As I told you, two different colors. And that's it. The headband is super easy. One row repeat, one stitch repeat. The only thing that we have to make is to change the color each row to get this beautiful two-colored effect of our twisted headband. So continue till the end of this row, crocheting back bar single crochet, and let's meet it at the end of this row. In the end of our second row, again we will switch to our first color. Single crochet, do not finish it, cut the yarn, take your first color and pull through. Turn your work and you can see the pattern coming out. Again, single crochet in the back bar, single crochet in the back bar in each stitch till the end of this row. As I told you, it's one row repeat. The only tips here is that you have to switch your color in each row. Again, single crochet in the back bar. Continue crocheting till the end of this row and repeat the same row till the desired height of your headband. As I told you, I will continue crocheting till I meet 23 rows for my headband. So it's to your prefers how many rows you continue crocheting. Repeat this back bar single crochet row and don't forget to switch your color in each row. So as you can see, I finished the main part of my headband. The one color pops out really well in the one side and the other color pops out really well in the other side. You choose which one to use as your right side for your project or for your headband. And now I want to show how to make the twist. To make the twist, lay down your headband and take one side, fold it like this. The right side must be inside, the wrong side will facing you for the twist. Fold it like this. Take the other side and fold it again. Now take this one and insert it into the other one like this. We will have two holes here, two openings. Again, I want to show one more time. Fold it like this, then fold the other side and insert one side into the other side. We have two openings here. Now, in the end of the last row, just leave a long tail for sewing your headband. Now we'll sew. We have 4 layers. Be careful to take all the 4 layers. Now start sewing your headband again. One more time, just to secure that it will not open when you are wearing the headband. Now this will be the hook for your headband at this moment. As you can see, we have two openings here. Now fold them as well, like this, and again start sewing them together. If you want, you can make the same step one more time, just to be sure. Again, that will not open when we are wearing the headband. And now here, after the last sew, I will secure with slip knot and will wave the end like this. Cut the yarn and you can see our twisted headband is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and if you so, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up to this video tutorial, and see you in my next ones. I hope it was helpful for you and you really enjoyed this tutorial with me. See you in my next tutorials.